In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset SD card on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to wipe or format any SD card that you have. This will allow you to free up all of the storage space on the SD card, and you will be able to do this entirely on your Android device, so you don't have to connect your SD card to a PC. You simply have to make sure that it is inserted into your Android device, and you will be able to access the formatting options. So you can either plug it in directly if it has an SD card reader, or you can use a USB adapter, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that your SD card gets detected by your Android device. You can go over to the storage settings, and usually in here you will be able to find it available. You will see the storage space and a lot of options. Now, this is going to differ for every single Android device. Sadly, I can't show you a specific solution that's going to work for all of them, but generally the steps are the same. All that you have to do is go over to the settings, access the storage category, and if you see the option to choose a specific SD card, then select it. Once you choose the SD card, you will see, like I mentioned, all of its aspects and stats, and if you tap these three dots or any sort of settings icon that you see, you will be able to find format. Once again, I'm going to repeat myself. This is going to differ for every single Android device, but generally, all that you have to do is go into storage, choose the SD card, and then you will find the option to format. Once you choose format, you will see the options. Usually it is going to offer to be formatted as a portable storage device, but you just have to choose format another way if you want to use this on your specific mobile device, your phone, and this will give you the option to format as an internal storage device instead. So choose whichever option you prefer, and as long as you go into the settings and you choose format, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you in how to reset SD card on Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.